is, as you guys probably know, I got these cheap mounts, and I assumed that the rubbers were soft, but after using the car for a while they are pretty firm. Probably fine if you're just using them for racing applications or whatever, you don't care, you know, that you've got a drunk rear vision mirror, but for me they're a little bit firm. So what I've done is I've bought Hasport ones, and obviously if you buy Hasport mounts you get the choice of these, which are 62A I think, yeah, 62A rated poly, and probably if I had my time again I would get Hasport. They're a great company, and given us heaps of help, you know, with conversion, so please probably support those. But if you did buy these and they're too firm, I'm going to swap these over, see how we go. So let's get into it. So yeah, for this side I've supported the bottom of the gearbox with a jack, and you just saw me take this one off, so we'll swap this one out as well. This one I did off camera, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is the rear mount, which I've just got it in the press mainly because it's easy. As you can see, I'm doing it with I'm not even using the bar for it, but I'm just trying to press out that bush that is in the middle of it. It's a little bit stiff. I think you could do it with a with, say, like a vise, if you needed to. I don't even know where my handle's gone, so I'm going to be stuck trying to do it like this. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, so it's got like a metal bush in it, so we'll get that out and then we'll try and work out the best way of getting these rubber bits out. So I just got the metal bit out, and actually the rubber bit, I pulled that part out by my hand, so it probably will just pull out. I'll give it a shot off camera and then come back to you. So I got the one side out, and the really weird bit is, I don't know if you can see that, these are copy mounts and it's got K-tune written in it. Bloody weird. They are, you can tell already that they're quite a bit harder than these Hasport ones, so looking forward to seeing if this is going to make a difference or not. Well, it will make a difference, it's just how much. So I'll get the other side out and then we'll get the new ones in, get this back in. This is a rear mount, real pain to get out. One more of a pain than the other ones, I should say. Need to undo this and then drop the other mount that's on the gearbox out as well, so a little bit of a pain. We'll get this back together and get it back in. So the other slight difference I noticed was this one kind of has like ribbed there. This one's smooth, so I don't know why it's ribbed. Extra pleasure maybe. We've got, and it's kind of ribbed in there too. Anyway, we'll chuck these in, put the metal back in, and let's try and get it back in the car. So I'll get that back in like that, and then I'll get this bracket back on the gearbox, and then tighten it all up. And the key with all of these engine mounts is to not tighten them completely up until you've got all the bolts in. So I'll follow that rule, seemed to work last time. Alright, first start up after swapping the mounts. We'll keep our eye on the mirror because that was the issue before. Oh yeah, that is heaps better. Heaps better. That's like there's a vibration from the exhaust, but from the engine, that's like a standard car now. That's so much better. Yeah, if you got cheap or different mounts, swap them over to Hasport bushings. You won't be sorry. That is so much better. Yeah, so as you can see, swapping the bushings over has made a massive difference. Yeah, may as well do it. These are not that expensive to get the bushings. They're much softer. The vibrations heaps less. So if you've got a daily drive, swap it over. Next video, I've got some Japanese goodies coming, so hopefully they'll be there in time to install in. Otherwise, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.